Before Greece, before Rome, there was Egypt. Imagine a land where water bears life from the heart of the desert, where temples glitter in the sun, and gold flow like the Nile itself. This is Egypt, a land of unmatched beauty, immense wealth, and a river that made it all possible. Egypt, an old kingdom, known for the construction of its great pyramids, its ancient civilization, and the monuments of the majestic pharaohs. Imagine a civilization that thrived for over 3,000 years. Egypt, which was referred to as the gift of the Nile by the great Greek historian Herodotus, and for a good reason, every year the mighty river would rise and flow, depositing rich black slate on the farmland. It turned a barren desert into a fertile paradise. Without the Nile, there would be no Egypt. It fed the people, enabled trade, and linked distant villages into one of the history's first unified nation. Egypt's beauty wasn't just skin deep, it was sacred. From the elegant eyes of Queen Nefertiti to the gold-leaved temple of Karnak, beauty was considered a reflection of divine harmony. Egypt's art was not just decoration, it was spiritual storytelling. Every line, color, and gesture has symbolical meaning, from delicate tomb painting to towering obelisk. The Egyptians worshipped beauty in every form. Egyptian men and women adorned themselves with linen garments, gold jewelries, scented oil, and kohl eyeliners. Beauty was power, status, and protection from the gods. And what could be more beautiful than their monuments? The pyramids, carved with divine geometry, the temples aligned with the stars. Egypt turned stone into poetry. Egypt's wealth was legendary. Gold flowed from Nubian mines. Lapis lazuli, a precious stone, arrived from Afghanistan. Ebony, ivory, and incense came from the land of the south. Pharaoh was not just a king. They were living gods who owned everything. Their treasures were filled with unimaginable riches, and the temples, like banks, stored offerings from across the kingdom. But Egypt's wealth wasn't only for the elite. Along the Nile, ordinary people enjoyed the rhythm of life, connecting to the seasons and celebration. Families lived in mud brick homes, raised animals, fished, and farmed. Women had legal rights. Children played along the river banks. The gods were ever present. Festivals honored Hathor, Osiris, and Ram. With music, beer, and dancing, life itself was a sacred ceremony. The Nile was not just a source of life, it was the road to eternity. Egyptians believed that the river flowed from the world of the living to the realm of the dead. In life, the Nile sustains them. In death, it carries their souls to the afterlife. Even eternity flowed with the current. Thousands of years later, Egypt's beauty still captivates the world. Its wealth not of just gold, but of wisdom, art, and innovation, continue to inspire everyone around them. In the mirror of the Nile, Egypt saw its soul, brilliant, bountiful, and everlasting, a land of beauty, a land of hope, a land of wealth, a river that gives life and shaped a legacy. And as we peel back the layers of history, our truth remains, our stories, the real ones, are worth telling, worth remembering, and worth owning. Because history isn't just a book or museum, it lives in us, in our voices, in our passion, and in our identity. And me, I'm just an African girl with a different, a girl who dares to speak, to share, and to reawaken the truth, one story at a time,